mga kapare ko, pupunta kami ngayon sa school ni Chloe. At meron silang anong tawag nun, B? Anong tawag niyan? Learning? Yeah, demonstration of learning ang tawag nun. At tara mga kapare ko, samahan nyo ako at samahan nyo kami. Pupunta kami sa school ngayon. Okay, let's go! So, papunta na kami ngayon doon at kasama ko si Mrs. at si Chloe. Ito, si Queen Queen.
Chloe.
Slowly, Chloe. Ayan. Okay, so sobrang lamig. Ayan. Ganda ng paligid.
Oo, Chloe.
Ayan. So, ayan tayo. Ay tayo papunta at maglalakad na tayo ng konting lakad lang naman. 5 minutes walking. Ayan. Ayan ang school niya, nakita nyo yun. Ayan. At ito naman yung condo namin. Ayan. Lamig. Kita nyo yung ano. Yun ay demonstration of learning niya. So ibig sabihin nun ay doon ipapakita ng mga bata kung ano yung mga natutunan at i-guide tayo sa teacher nila kung ano yung mga natutunan at ano yung mga nagiging improvement sa bata. Ayan. So at paano siya sa klase. Yan ang tinatawag nilang demonstration of learning. So ituturo niya kung ano yung mga ituturo tayo lahat ng mga gawain nila everyday. Yan. Ayan, yan. Ito, mga kaparikoy. Ayan, mga kamarikay. Kita niyan. Yan, tatawid yung mga bata. Maingat ang mga sasakyan dyan. Lahat ng mga dumadaan. Ayan. Walang mabibilis dyan. Makikita niyo yan. At yan, alam na ni Chloe yan. Paano? Magpipindot yan. Then, hihinto yung sasakyan. Ayan. Lahat yan, hihinto yung mga sasakyan na yan. Ayan. Hinto yan sila. Ayan. Okay? So, hindi ka magmamadali. Hindi ka rin mamadaliin. Ganun lang kadali. Easy lang dapat. Ayan. Yan ang school nila. Yan. Ito ang school nila. Ayan. Lady of Prayers. Okay? Ito yung school nila ngayon. Ayan. Where's your room, Chloe? Saan yung class nyo, Chloe? Oh, ang galing, oh. Ang galing ng mga creativity nila. Sa mga bata yan. Ayan.
I think this is kindergarten.
Kindergarten. Ito naman yung mga puro locker nila. Ayan. Ayan.
Alam niya yung
Tuturo niya.
Sige na.
Tuturo tayo niyan. Tuturo tayo niyan ni
Yung damit
Chloe.
mo, Chloe, ibaba mo. Chloe. Yung damit mo, ibaba mo. Ayan.
Ayan. So, ayan ang classroom nila. Ayan. May mga CR sila. Kasing liit lang din ang ano nila. Ayan. Ito yung ano nila. Ano nila sapatos. Ayan. Ito yung hanger. Ayan ang hanger ni Chloe. Ano? Hanger ni Chloe.
Asa? Oh, ayun. May Chloe pala.
Asan? Ay, saan yung where's your shoes? Ito naman yung shoes niya. Para sa ano lang yan. Para, hindi, dito yung shoes niya. Ito yun.
Asan ang shoes niya?
Ayan,
Ay,
ito.
Chloe, this is your shoes.
Ayan. Okay, so diretso tayo sa class niya. Punta tayo doon. Ayan. Ito yung class niya. Kay Miss Luzano na class. Ayan. Here you go. Here you go. Chloe. Ayan, ito yung class niya. Okay, so tell us about your, just wait for Miss Luzano, okay? She's coming.
Lagay ko muna ito dito, Chloe, ha?
Oh, don't.
Chloe, did you show mom and dad where you?
Chloe will show for us something. What? Okay.
Usually we actually have a caddy here, but we have to clean everything.
Yeah.
This is my art.
Love it. What's that?
This is my art.
Okay. And you made it?
One.
Oh wow, beautiful. It's beautiful. What's it say? Can you read those for us?
I don't think so.
Oh, that's a friend's. Yeah, it's a Flanders Felts that puppies blow. Oh yeah. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, this is my art.
Read it. You can read it for a moment for us.
It's too long.
Okay, it's fine. Go ahead.
This one is my other art.
Yeah.
And then next one.
Yan ang art niya.
This is my favorite subject
Favorite subject? Why? Tell us.
because it's learning about God.
It's learning about what?
It's learning about God.
God. Okay, go ahead.
This is
What
the
else?
first thing that we did in religion.
Oh yeah, about religion. Eh? Can you read for us?
We
We
are
are
a family in the classroom. Next one. This is Adam and Eve.
Yeah.
This is Saint Peter.
Yeah.
I think this is the Mass.
Mass.
I am a peacemaker.
Wow. Very good. And
These are the other pictures that I draw.
what's that? What is it saying?
I think it's
It's
the
chicken.
one. No,
Is it
it's
chicken?
no, it's not a chicken. Can't you see it's flying?
Is it
It's-
fly?
It's a. I think it's a dove.
It's a dove. Oh, okay. Go
It's a
ahead.
white bird.
It's a white bird. Oh, I didn't notice that. I thought it's chicken. It's
Peace. Do you always read the sign?
oh, it's peas. I thought I thought it's a fried
This
chicken.
is another one. And another one.
What?
This one is the other one.
Okay. Oh, get in trouble. We're going good. Oh, nice.
I think this one is blank.
Okay.
Because I think this is
Who will bless our people? What else? Wow, bless our people who are sad and upset. Oh, this is Saint Francis of Assisi. He was Jesus' dad. Oh,
these are the ones.
yeah. Oh, okay.
I don't know where this is. I think that's all.
Done. Okay, so what else? And how about this one? Okay. Okay.
I just wanted to show you about
Yeah.
this was our social project.
Yeah, social project.
Let's give you a tour.
What's that?
We are
Yeah.
gonna start with the marshes.
Dalmatian. What's that?
Marshes. It's where the cattails are with the froggies and
Oh,
the
okay.
lily pads.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. So who made those? Is it yours?
I made this
You
frog
made-
and my friend Lovett made that.
Oh, there's a froggy.
And these are the cattails.
What's the other one? Is it a cat? The other one?
These are cattails. It's a type of plant.
Ah, it's a cactus. It's like
Cattail.
hydro plants or something like.
It's in the
It's a water
marshes.
lily, something like that. Yeah.
And these are the lily pads.
Okay.
And these ones are the plains
Uh huh.
where the pigs are on a pigtail.
Okay.
And then we're gonna move. It says plains here. I also made these flowers.
Yeah.
And then we have an island
Mm-hmm.
with fishies and rocks.
Rocks.
And I did the most creative thing on the part. I like the plains the most and the rivers because
Yeah.
there's waves on the river.
Okay.
And it has so much detail with all of those bubbles everywhere.
Yeah. What else?
I got these flowers and fishies and pebbles and some coconuts.
Okay.
And that's all.
Okay, that's all. We are on
Start.
math.
Or should I?
They're both the same.
Okay.
Place value. Okay.
What's
Please.
that over there?
No.
That one's language arts.
Oh.
Do math first.
Yeah. Okay, so
So use the paper clip
what else about?
to make a spinner.
Oh, it's a spinner.
And then you need to spin it so you know what number you land on. Like put your finger on the edge. Yeah, and then
Where?
Yeah,
Yeah.
on the
I can
edge.
just spin
and then
it?
spin it.
Spin it.
Spin it.
How do I
Just-
spin it?
just slowly.
It's so slow.
Just
How do I spin it?
okay. Yeah, you're good now.
Do I just spin it?
Okay.
How do I spin
A few moments later.
Go.
Pick something.
Go.
Maybe she's finding.
Finding something
Mm-hmm.
that is.
Chloe, what happened to you?
An hour later.
Book fair.
Chloe, show mom that the book fair's in the library.
In the library, yeah. Ayan, so pabalik na kami at tapos ng kanyang demonstration of learning. So far, lahat naman ng binigay ng teacher ng feedback ay lahat ay magaganda. So wala kang naging problema sa lahat ng ay nangunguna siya sa klase. So active siya lahat sa reader. Magaling sa lahat. Yeah. So, yeah.
Hindi na kailangan magkumo.
So, yeah, let's go sa book fair tayo. Tara, book fair. Okay, let's go. Go.
Oh, here.
Pass, show me. Oh, what's that?
Never touch an axolotl.
Axolotl. Axolotl. Yeah.
Axolotl. You
Okay.
don't know where axolotls.
Okay. Oh, yeah. So, yan, nasa book fair kami at ito ay
Now, we can't just go.
mamimili tayo ng mga books nila. Then, bibilhin mo. Ganun lang. It's a part of Okay, go ahead. Go. Go there. You just pay. Pay over there on the counter. Come on. Go. Ayan, so nakakuha na kami. Tara, let's go.
Let's go na, let's go.
Book fair.
Book fair.
Ayan, okay, go.
Chloe, saan ang exit?
Exit is right there.
Is it here?
Yeah, nandun yung sapatos natin. Kabila.
Ang laki pala nito. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan tayo.
Ayan. Pauwi na kami. Tara.
Chloe,
So, pauwi na kami.
hindi mo siya kinuha na ng picture?
Hindi pa.
Ay, tanga, hindi kinuha na ng picture sa loob ng school.
Tanga. Let's go. Ayan, so pauwi na kami mga kaparikoy. At pupunta pa kami sa Walmart. Ayan. So, sobrang lamig. Ayan.
Happy, Chloe?
Yes po, nanay.
Yan. Pure pala na Pilipina talaga. Yung teacher nila. So, hindi lang masyadong So, magaling nga daw talaga si Chloe sa dapat attorney, law. Yeah. Yan ang naisip.
Newscaster.
Yan ang naisip ko din. Na yun sa kanya. Oo, pwede rin. Newscaster. Pwede kaya. Ako inisip ko lawyer.
Yeah.
The best. Ayan.
Tawagan mo na si Chloe, B. Ay, si Happy.
So, dyan na naman nagtatapos ang ating mga kwentong Buhay Canada. Kaya dito lang sa Buhay Canada!